What's up guys, we are installing an ACUiTY shifter on my Type R. I know this is a very redundant install video to make, just gotta do it for the content. So to get to unboxing. So it's pretty basic what it comes with. It comes with the shifter assembly, shifter rod, and your hardware. Okay, in terms of tools, you'll need a Phillips flathead, a 5mm Allen, a 4mm Allen, a right angle pick tool, or if you're like me and just have a bunch of these, get the one that's at least the best hook looking one. Of course, a ratchet. You'll need a 8mm socket, 19, and your trusty 10mm, and any assortment of your plastic trim tools. That's pretty much it in terms of tools. Okay, so now that we're in the car, the first thing we're gonna do is we have to remove these two pieces, which are trusty plastic tool remover. Then you're gonna wanna pop this piece off. Same thing with the other side. From there, you're gonna wanna take off the shift knob. You need to pull down on the shift boot so you can access the bolt, the nut.
One eternity later.
My shift knob collar nut is stuck. There is two screws that you're going to want to loosen to pull off this whole shifter trim assembly. You're going to want to unplug. There's going to be two plugs on the bottom of it. You can't really see. That you're gonna want to unplug first. Oh, correction, there are 3 plugs. Okay, next you're gonna want to remove the climate control unit. There is going to be 2 plugs for that. Okay, now that we got that out, to get this whole piece out, there's gonna be 3 screws. There's gonna be one here, one there, and then one right in the middle. All you need to do is pull up from there, and it should fall right out. From there, we're gonna wanna get rid of the power panel. From there, you need to unplug the ports from the back. So it's going to be 2 plugs. You are going to want to remove another rubber tray. You have 2 screws down there that you're going to want to remove so you can pull this thing back. So this is going to be pretty hard to see and film, so it's probably going to cut from here, but basically you're going to want to pry off these parts right on the side. From there you should be able to pull the armrest portion back. There is going to be a electronic connector that you're going to want to unplug that's on the back of this thing. Okay, now that we got the center console out, it's going to be, first you need to remove this metal bracket. That's going to be 2 8mm socket bolts, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, then you have 4 10mm bolts that you have to remove the actual shifter assembly. Okay, after removing the bolts, you need to remove the actual cables going to the shifter. Okay, now that you got the cables released from the levers, there is, to release those actual like cables from the shifter base, there is going to be a little like locking tab that kind of holds it there. I'm gonna drop a picture. You're gonna want to pry on the tab, then rotate it counterclockwise to get it off. Now, pretty much we are just reversing everything we just did. Here's the new shifter assembly. Okay, they provide new hardware, so you don't need to reuse the stock ones. The new bolts are going to be 5mm Allen bolts. I will also like to note that they do want them to be torqued down. These bolts need to be torqued down to 5 foot-pounds. And in reverse order fashion, we have to put the cables back in. You got to take them off. You got to put them on the opposite way you took them off. Okay, now I got the shifter cables on. Everything is secured. Let's get the actual shift lever attached. This bolt is also going to be a 5mm Allen. There is a correct position that you want it to line up with. On here, if it can be seen, there's an arrow. You want it to line up with the 0 for the left-hand drive numbers. It's all labeled on this circle right here. For that bolt, it's going to be, you want to torque it down to 6 foot-pounds for this bolt, and for the actual bolt that clamps the rod, that gets torqued down to 5 foot-pounds. Okay, lastly, there is going to be a support bolt for the actual gear change lever that you need to attach on there too. I'm going to have a close-up picture of it once everything's installed. I'll put it up somewhere around here to show actually how it looks. Okay, for the gear adjustment, pretty much you just need to adjust this screw right here and bring the rod up and down. That's how you kind of adjust the overall throw for the shifter. So for the gate adjustment screw, you need to detach the cable before you actually tighten it. It's going to be this nut. I'm pretty sure this is a 19mm socket. Pretty much if you take it up and down, taking it down decreases, taking it up increases the space. Okay, that's the install video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and tune in next time for more install videos to come.